Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today's topic is Mendelism. Mendelism or Mendelian inheritance, the principle of heredity formulated by Austrian monk, botanist, teacher in the mid-19th century by Gregor Mendel, who studied inheritance of different characteristics of pea plant. He selected pea plants for many reasons. The pea plants were easy to grow and maintain and has been shown to be true breeding. That is, all offspring will have the same characteristics generation after generation. It has many clearly distinct and contrasting characters. Mendel structured his experiment in a way that he would study one pair of contrasting character at one time. And pea plant is an annual plant, so many generations of the plant can be studied in a short period of time. Peas are naturally self-pollinating but can also be cross-pollinated by hand simply by opening the flower bud to remove their pollen-producing stamen and dusting pollen from one plant onto the stigma of other plant. This is called emasculation and this is normally done to prevent self-pollination. Mendel presented his research result in the experiment with nearly 30,000 pea plants to the local Natural History Society. He demonstrated that traits are transmitted faithfully from parents to offspring in a specific pattern. In 1866, Mendel published his paper Experiment in Plant Hybridization. In this paper, he proposed that heredity is the result of each parent passing along one factor for every trait. If the factor is dominant, it will be expressed in the next progeny. If the factor is recessive, it will not show up, but will continue to be passed along to the next generation. Each factor works independently from the other and they do not blend. Mendel's work went virtually unnoticed by the scientific community then, which incorrectly believed that the process of inheritance involved a blending of parental trait that produced an intermediate physical appearance in the offspring. Scientific community ignored the paper possibly because it was much ahead of the time. In early 1900, three plant biologists finally acknowledged Mendel's work. Unfortunately, Mendel was not around to receive the recognition as he died in 1884. These are the seven contrasting pair of characters. This includes seed, which has seed colors and seed shape, and then whole plant, plant flower color and flower position, flower plant height, pod shape and pod color. Reason for Mendel's success. Mendel's success was highly because of the selection of the pea plant. He was lucky that the plant did not show incomplete dominance or epistasis. Mendel studied all the seven pair of different contrasting characters individually in both original stock and then in the hybrid offspring in different generations. He classified offspring according to their characters as dominant and recessive and also maintained the record of the individual having particular characters. The quantitative method which he used for recording the number of individuals having particular character is vital for Mendel's success. Mendel studied the inheritance of one character at a time. He carried out experiment to F2 and F3 generation. Thank you.